Okay, people, still the 5th. Heavy chemtrailing. Oh, hold on a second. Sorry, I had my zoom all the way in. So the sky is somewhat blue because the steam plant is basically off. Now, they're chemtrailing the snot out of the sky right now. See, here you can see chemtrails everywhere. Big, thick ones over there, huge. There's a chemtrail plane up there right now. But as far as the steam plant goes, it's basically almost shut down. And that's why the sky is somewhat blue, which enables you to see the chemtrails a lot easier because of the white against the blue. There's some thick chemies right there, nasty. But you can see this is dissipating right off the top of the tower. And remember this morning, the entire sky was filled with horrendous yellow ammonia coal ash clouds. But now it's dissipating right here. So every time that the coal plant, they burn it clean, which they're doing for Labor Day, so that you think life is great and America and all this other horse shit. Labor Day, oh, right? And then right after Labor Day, come probably Monday, they'll fire the shit plant back up, cover the sky, and the reason for that is to cover the chemtrailing, so you can't see the massive spraying that they're doing all the time. So the coal ash clouds are hiding the chemtrailing and hiding the sun, which will be detrimental eventually. Here's Lake Norman, which Lake Norman is gigantic. It's 650 miles of shoreline, 36,000 acres. It's a big mother, about 40 miles from one end to the other. And on weekends, you know, holidays like this, it's total insanity. It's a beautiful lake. Unfortunately, it's pretty gross because there's so many whatchamajiggers. That's the word I'm looking for here. Sewer systems. And they hide them in creeks and then dump them into the creeks and then they run into the lake. So it's pretty gross, especially in the summer when the water is super hot. It's nasty. In the wintertime, it's nice. And I really don't go out in the lake in the summer because it's too hot and there's too many people, unless you go during the week. But it's still ungodly hot. You have to get somewhere and stay there, get in the water, because, like, you know, it's 95 degrees here every day in the summer. So, like, June 15th to September 15th, it's rough. After that, it's nice. You got about 4 months of suffrage. If it's a light summer, 3 months of wicked temperatures. This area is wicked, though, because it's got a huge population, but there's tons of countryside around here, and then you can be in the foothills in a matter of minutes, and then into the mountains in 40 minutes. The traffic's insane. That's been going on for a long time, though. A lot of people have fled New York State and the northern states to come here for less taxes and better weather, you know? What you doing, bub? I don't know if somebody's turning here or what. Yep. You can see the sky is trashed. So the low stuff, the darker low stuff is coal ash, and then the higher stuff is chemtrails, which I believe that's coal ash as well, because they need to dump it somewhere. and fine particulate matter like that, you can use frequencies on that to steer it and move it. It makes a great catalyst for rain bombs, thunder, lightning, things of that nature. Yeah, the traffic is insane. Giant chemtrail right there. And there's somewhat of a wind today, which is blowing a lot of the chemies out of here, because normally this sky would be completely covered up by now. And the fact that the coal plant's basically off, this sky's gonna stay blue unless they're able to chem bomb it out completely. What are you doing, bub? So hang out. Big chem plane right there. They've been coming through here all day. There's one right there. All right, guys. Back to work I go. Check with you later.